It is delicious. Oh yes, I love that. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and shop. And today I'm going to try this new recipe, the matcha and fresh raspberries cookie. I will try to introduce to my shop counter this week, and let's do it together. Okay, let's do it. In the bowl we are going to put 160 grams of unsalted butter and 180 grams of caster sugar. Choose this attachment. That is the exactly point you want to leave a butter. Yeah, not too soft and not too hard. Now you're going to add the white chocolate, and this is 45 grams of matcha powder and 340 grams of self-raising flour. Now you're going to put it back in the machine. You're not going to mix the ingredients too much, yeah, just a little bit, like 20 seconds. And then we're going to add 2 eggs. What I'm going to do now is divide the recipe in 90 grams cookies. I'm going to get frozen raspberries and add in the middle. Yeah. Here we go. Our cookies are done. This recipe makes 10 cookies of 90 grams each. So now I'm going to place the cookies in the freezer for about 1 hour and then bake them. Here we go. Cookies are frozen. Now I'm going to place them in the oven at 180 degrees for about 14-15 minutes. There we go. The oven is preheated. Here we go. I'm going to get the spare cookies, put in the bag, so cookies can last in the freezer for 3 months. As soon as you want it, take from the freezer and place straight away in the oven. Yeah, easy tip. And cookies are done, and let's see inside. Oops. Oh yes, love that. Oh. Very nice. You must try making these cookies. I mean, it is delicious. Thank you for watching and see you next time.